In today's digital age, finding someone's social media accounts can feel like a daunting task. With numerous platforms out there, tracking down every profile is challenging. But what if you could do it in just 10 minutes? Enter Sherlock, a powerful tool designed to help you locate social media profiles quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a curious individual, a journalist, or a digital investigator, Sherlock can be a game changer. This tool can save you hours of manual searching by automating the process. So, let's dive into the fascinating world of Sherlock and see how it can help you become a social media sleuth in no time. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to install Sherlock, use it effectively, and understand its key features and benefits. Ready to get started? Let's go. Sherlock is an open-source tool that helps you find social media accounts by username across various platforms. It's named after the famous detective Sherlock Holmes, and just like its namesake, it's designed to uncover hidden details. Imagine having a tool that can search through dozens of social networks in minutes. Sherlock does just that. This tool is particularly useful for people who need to gather information quickly. Whether you're conducting an investigation, doing market research, or simply satisfying your curiosity, Sherlock can streamline your search process. It's a versatile tool that works on multiple operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and Linux. Sherlock leverages the power of automation to search through a vast array of social media platforms. It can scan for usernames on sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and many more. This makes it an invaluable resource for anyone looking to uncover digital footprints quickly and efficiently. You might wonder why you should use Sherlock when you can manually search for social media accounts. The answer is simple: time and accuracy. Manually searching for profiles can be time-consuming and often incomplete. Sherlock automates this process, ensuring you get comprehensive results faster. Another advantage of using Sherlock is its ability to search multiple platforms simultaneously. Instead of hopping from one site to another, Sherlock does all the heavy lifting for you. This not only saves time but also increases the likelihood of finding all relevant profiles linked to a username. Sherlock also helps in maintaining accuracy. Manual searches are prone to human error, but Sherlock's automated approach minimizes this risk. It's designed to provide reliable results, making it a trusted tool for digital investigations. Whether you're looking for personal use or professional purposes, Sherlock offers a hassle-free solution to social media searching. Installing Sherlock is straightforward, even for beginners. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, you need to ensure you have Python installed on your computer. Python is a programming language that Sherlock uses to run its searches. First, install Python. Visit the official Python website and download the latest version of Python. Follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Next, open Command Prompt or Terminal. Once Python is installed, open your Command Prompt, Windows, or Terminal, macOS, Linux. Then clone Sherlock repository type and press Enter. This will download Sherlock to your computer. After that, navigate to Sherlock directory. Use the command to move into the Sherlock directory. Finally, install requirements type to install all necessary dependencies. And there you go. Sherlock is now ready to use. Section 5. Setting up Sherlock. Once you've installed Sherlock, the next step is setting it up. This involves configuring the tool to ensure it runs smoothly on your system. Don't worry, this process is simple and doesn't require advanced technical skills. First, ensure your Python environment is properly configured. Open your command prompt or terminal, and type to check if Python is correctly installed. You should see the installed version of Python displayed. If everything looks good, you're ready to proceed. Next, make sure all dependencies are installed. These are additional software packages that Sherlock needs to function correctly. You've already installed them using the command. To double-check, you can run the command again. It won't reinstall packages that are already there. Finally, familiarize yourself with the Sherlock directory. This is where all the magic happens. Knowing your way around this directory will make it easier to run commands and customize your searches. You're now set up and ready to start using Sherlock. Section 6. Running Sherlock Basic Commands. Now that Sherlock is installed and set up, let's dive into running it. Using Sherlock is straightforward. You just need to open your command prompt or terminal and navigate to the Sherlock directory using. To start a basic search type. Replace username with the actual username you want to search for. Sherlock will then start scanning multiple social media platforms for that username. You'll see results displayed in real time, showing where the username is found. Sherlock also allows you to save the results to a file. To do this, use the command, replace file name with the name you want for the output file. This feature is handy for keeping a record of your searches. Another useful command is, which lets you specify the social media site you want to search. For example, we'll only search for the username on Twitter. This is useful if you're focused on specific platforms. Section 7. Advanced usage of Sherlock. For those who want to delve deeper, Sherlock offers advanced features that can enhance your searches. One such feature is the option, which allows you to route your searches through a proxy server. This can be useful for maintaining anonymity or bypassing regional restrictions. To use a proxy, type. Replace proxy server and port with the actual proxy server details. This adds an extra layer of privacy to your searches. Another advanced feature is the option, which sets a time limit for each site search. This is useful if you're dealing with slow internet connections or sites that take a long time to respond. Use the command to set a 10-second timeout. Sherlock also supports the option which only displays sites where the username was found. This makes it easier to sift through results and focus on successful hits. These advanced features provide greater control and flexibility, making Sherlock a powerful tool for any user. Section 8. Key features of Sherlock. Sherlock boasts several key features that make it a standout tool for finding social media accounts. One of its primary features is its extensive platform support. Sherlock can search through over 300 social media sites, including popular ones like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, as well as niche platforms. Another notable feature is its speed. Sherlock performs searches rapidly, saving you significant time compared to manual searches. It uses asynchronous requests, allowing it to query multiple sites simultaneously without waiting for each one to respond. Sherlock's user-friendly interface is another highlight. Even if you're new to command line tools, Sherlock's straightforward commands and clear instructions make it easy to use. Plus, the ability to save results to a file enhances its utility for future reference. Lastly, Sherlock's open-source nature means it's constantly being improved by a community of developers. This ensures it stays up to date with new social media platforms and changes to existing ones, keeping it relevant and effective. Section 9. Benefits of using Sherlock. Using Sherlock offers numerous benefits, particularly in terms of efficiency and accuracy. One of the main advantages is the time you save. Instead of manually searching each social media platform, Sherlock automates the process, providing results in minutes. Another benefit is the comprehensive nature of the searches. Sherlock scans over 300 platforms, increasing the chances of finding all relevant social media accounts. This thorough approach ensures you don't miss any important profiles. Sherlock also enhances accuracy. Manual searches can be error-prone, but Sherlock's automated system reduces the risk of missing profiles or making mistakes. This reliability is crucial for tasks that require precise information, such as investigations or research. Finally, Sherlock's ease of use makes it accessible to everyone. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investigator, Sherlock's simple setup and intuitive commands make it a valuable tool for anyone looking to find social media accounts quickly and accurately. Section 10. Real-world applications. Sherlock has a wide range of real-world applications. For journalists, it can be a valuable tool for background research on individuals. By quickly finding all social media profiles linked to a username, journalists can gather comprehensive information for their stories. Law enforcement agencies also benefit from Sherlock. It aids in digital investigations by providing a swift way to locate social media accounts, which can be crucial in tracking suspects or gathering evidence. Businesses can use Sherlock for market research. By identifying social media profiles, companies can better understand their audience and competitors. This information can inform marketing strategies and business decisions. Even for personal use, Sherlock is handy. Whether you're reconnecting with old friends or verifying someone's online presence, Sherlock makes the process quick and effortless. Its versatility and efficiency make it a useful tool in various fields and scenarios. Section 11. Conclusion. Sherlock is a powerful and efficient tool for finding social media accounts. From installing it to running basic and advanced searches, This guide has covered everything you need to get started. The key features and benefits of Sherlock make it an invaluable resource for anyone looking to track down social media profiles. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, Sherlock's simplicity and effectiveness are sure to impress, so why not give it a try? With Sherlock, you can uncover social media accounts in just 10 minutes, saving you time and ensuring you get accurate, comprehensive results. Happy sleuthing!